Need to quickly create a Microsoft Word document right from your smartphone? Whether you're using an Android or an iPhone, here is how to do it in just a few seconds. First, make sure you have the free Microsoft Word or Microsoft 365 app downloaded from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and tap on the Create or Plus icon, usually located at the bottom or top corner of your screen. Next, from the options that appear, select Word and then tap on Blank Document to start fresh. If you prefer a head start, you can also browse and choose from one of the many pre-designed templates available. Now you can tap anywhere on the clean canvas to start typing out your text using your phone's keyboard. You can also easily format your font style, bold your text, or add bullet points using the toolbar right above your keyboard. When you're finished, your document will automatically save to the cloud, or you can tap the three dots in the top corner to share, save, or rename your file. If this quick mobile guide helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech tutorials.